All right, in example 2, what I want you to do is cross out part A. I don't really use that step. I don't think it's necessary. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this x squared plus 8x plus 5. And I'm going to be kind of disappointed in it because I wish the 5 was something else, right? It's like someone presented a gift to me for my birthday, and secretly I didn't like it, and I wanted to return it, and I wanted something else, all right? What do I want the 5 to be? Well, I wanted the 5 to be half of 8 squared, which is 16. We talked about that with perfect square trinomials. So I'm a little upset that this 5 isn't a 16, so I have to think of what I could add or subtract to it to force it to be a 16. I want it to be a 16, and I'm allowed to add something to both sides in order to make it turn into 16. I'll keep the equation balanced as long as I do it to both sides, right? So if I'm thinking, hey, 5, I kind of wish you were a 16, all I have to do is add 11 to it. Now it is a 16, right? Now I have x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 11. And now I can incorporate what we did in example 1 and turn this into x plus 4 squared equals 11. I did the x squared, I did half of 8, and I made sure this was a plus. All right? And check it out. The 4 squared is 16. So it's set up perfectly. It's now ready for me to take the square root of both sides and get my 2 answers, but the problem actually doesn't need me to do that. It just wanted me to set it up in this form so that it's now ready to solve. Maybe they knew we were going to run out of time today, so they didn't need us to actually find the solution. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. X squared minus 6x minus 11. Oh, minus 11. I'm so disappointed in you. You are not the gift that I wanted. I don't want a minus 11 there. I wish that that minus 11 was half of 6 squared. I wish the minus 11 was a positive 9. In every problem we've done, that C, that last term has to be positive. So we have to think, what would I add to negative 11 to get it to turn into positive 9? Not 2. That'll only get it up to negative 9. I think the missing link here is adding 20 to both sides. By adding 20 to both sides, I turn this into a 9, and now I have the gift that I wanted. This turns into a 20. And now I can do my turn it into a binomial. X minus half of 6 squared equals 20. We don't have to square root both sides. 3 squared is 9, just a quick check there. That's what they wanted. Turn it into x minus p squared equals q. X minus p squared equals q. We're done.